What's up, guys? Welcome to Let's Get Boozy. Today I got the beautiful Miss B. Instagram handle down below. Today we're going to show you how to make the Fortnite Shield Potion.
It's pretty awesome, pretty cool, little stressful. He's a little scary.
Let's go.
If y'all could see like the behind to get here.
It's a mess.
It's a maze.
It's terrible. Horrible. Anyway, okay, listen.
Change your face on camera.
Do I do it? I really do it.
Yeah.
I can't help it. You do it too.
I don't. I just talk louder.
You're doing it right now.
I feel like I'm not.
You are.
Schnummer.
Alright, so okay, listen.
Okay.
First we're gonna mix up in this jar. I want you to grab. That's fine. We'll put that right there. Relax. She always has to have everything her way, guys. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the Kool-aide. Okay?
Okay.
I want you to pour that bottle of water.
The bottle of water.
The bottle of water.
Okay.
Into that little container.
All of it?
All of it.
Okay.
All the water. Just like that. Ooh.
Wow, I'm a mixologist, guys.
Hey, I'm not even a damn mixologist, but I'm saying,
Can I
alright.
throw this on the floor?
Absolutely. Next bottle. Pour it in there. Pour it to like... Stop. Alright. It's gotta be precise. Precision is key. Now grab this.
Okay.
This is the Kool-aide.
Okay.
Now pour it in.
All of it?
Just pour it until I say.
Okay. It's not coming out.
Squeeze it out.
Oh.
Stop. Grab your spoon.
Okay.
Mix that bad boy up.
Ding,
ding, ding. Does not sound nice.
Hang on,
right.
you know, wait. Say it again. Start again. Say grab it again. Seriously.
Grab your spoon. Mix the bad boy up. That was loud. Grab the Smirnoff. This is blueberry Smirnoff.
How much?
Just pour it in.
All of it?
Yeah. So like right. Keep going. Keep going. That's good. I like my vodka. I'm Russian, guys. All right.
Yeah.
Now, actually, mix that up again.
Sorry, guys.
Hey guys, while she mixes that drink loudly, I just wanted to remind you all to put on the notification bell. We got videos coming every single week. Please hit like, hit subscribe. It means the world to us. You guys are amazing. Let's get back to the video.
Beautiful. Put that away. Now we're gonna grab our shield potion jar. Open it up. Bing. Just like that.
Okay. Now we're gonna take the little thingy.
Mountain Dew.
A little sploosh.
Just a little sploosh.
A little sploosh.
Sploosh, sploosh. Just a tiny bit.
Sploosh.
That's good.
I'm getting scared, guys.
Alright.
That's a mix?
No.
Okay.
Now grab the
I'm
melon liquor.
Scared to do this. Okay. You're scared.
This is round 2, by the way. Now pour it in, just like a pinch.
Slowly,
Or
right?
like lightly.
Like in the corner?
Yeah, that's fine.
Like that?
Sure. Okay, a little bit more.
Okay, well, last time I messed it up.
For real?
You can feel it. No, give me it. I got it. You can feel the sweat dripping off me, guys. He's scary.
A little bit more. Come on, dude. Just a little bit, like a tiny bit.
Like that much again?
Yeah.
My arms.
Ooh, what's wrong with you? You did it again. No, that's good. That's fine.
It's down there.
It's down. We're good. We're solid.
He's gentle, guys. Gentle.
Close it up. And look at that, dude. You got yourself. That looks way better, right?
I did a good job.
You got it. You did a great job. You got the Fortnite Shield Potion. Shabam! Boom!
I'm excited.
Dude, that looks good.
Thank you.
I almost forgot, guys. And remember,
Stay boozy.
Let's go.
All right.